Good morning, everyone. I'm Jacqueline D. Agustino, BSIT 3A. I will explain my laboratory tool, which is data pre-processing.
This code imports the necessary library, replaces placeholder for missing value with a standard presentation. The code print the original row count, then remove row containing missing data to create new data frame, and finally print the row count of this clean data frame to show the impact of discarding incomplete data. This code prepares your environment for plotting, select and prepare the data for visualization, and create a box plot to show the distributions of numerical features in your dataset. This code standardizes the numerical features in the data2 data frame and then display a subset of the standardized data. This code prints the initial row count, then identifies and removes outliers based on a z-score threshold of -3 and 3 across all numerical features. This code identifies the count of the numbers of duplicates row in the data frame and then display specific rows for further examination. The code print the initial row count, then remove duplicate row to create a new data frame, and finally print the row count of this clean data frame to show the impact of discarding duplicates data. This code loads daily precipitation data, set the data as the index, plots the data as a line graph, and include the variance in the plot title. This code aggregates daily precipitation data into monthly totals, plot the monthly data as a line graph, and include the variance in the plot title. This code aggregates daily precipitation data into annual totals, plot the annual data as a line graph, and include the variance in the plot title. The data head, open parentheses and close parentheses, functions as a handy tool for getting a quick overview of the your data in a pandas data frame. This code demonstrates how to extract a random sample of row from the pandas data frame using a sample open parentheses and close parentheses methods, which is a valuable technique for data exploration, model, testing, and other data analysis tasks. This code demonstrates how to perform random sampling with replacement using a sample open parentheses and close parentheses method in pandas. This technique is particularly valuable for bootstrapping and acting synthetic datasets. This code visualizes and distribution of the clamp techniques data using a histogram and provides a frequency analysis using value underscore counts open parentheses and close parentheses. These techniques are helpful for exploring and understanding the characteristic of your data. This code demonstrates how to discretize continuous data into quantile using pd.qcut open parentheses and close parentheses and then analyze the frequency distribution across the quantile using value underscore counts open parentheses and close parentheses. This code performs PCA on image data to reduce its dimensionality to two principal components: store the project data in a data frame and add food category label to the data frame. This code creates a scatter plot of the project data where each food type is represented by a different color and marker. It iterates through the food types, select the corresponding data points, and plot them using PLT scatter open parentheses and close parentheses.